So tell us what your plan is from day one to ensure these delegates and the people of Utah that you have the preparation and the ideas necessary to solve our border solution, or our border situation.
Well, as a balanced budget candidate, I'll tell you, sending more money down to the border, I like to take it from somewhere else. And I would fund our sanctuary cities and states to do that, to go and fund additional border wall, to go and pay for military intervention with cartels down there as needed, to institute a national E-Verify system, and to get rolling with some mass deportations. Our Republican platform for the state of Utah it says that we don't support amnesty. I am a no amnesty candidate. And I think we also need to look at birthright citizenship as an issue. And we also have to change the narrative on this. They like to say that Donald Trump is racist because he wants a secure border. They like to say that Republicans are racist for this. I look at the border situation and say it's not compassionate to have a family split up, to have their children go in one van, motorcade with a cartel, while the parents go in another, with the chance that some of those children are going to be human trafficked, or they're going to be smuggling in fentanyl and doing some drug trafficking work. That is not the compassionate approach. And we need to make sure, as Republicans, that we change the narrative every time we speak about the border, and that we clarify it, and we make sure that they understand that. I love immigrants. We do as Republicans. We're a country of immigrants. They have to come here legally. I mean, it's been said in the last 3 or 4 years that the gotaways have tripled under this administration. Gotaways. These are people that we don't know where they're at, what they're doing. We have no record of them. It's got to stop. I am one who would do everything I can, a comprehensive strategy, totally supporting Donald Trump in this, to say, gotaways go down to zero. We've got to get that to stop. It's killing us. Housing, healthcare industry, education industry, drugs. It's killing us.